at him.
A terrifying situation this afternoon at a mental health facility in Homestead.
Police say several people were hurt when a man took hostages. Patients were rushed out of the building and a school nearby was put on lockdown.
Police say the threat there is now over. They say the suspect was shot by officers. Amy Wattis joins us now from Homestead. It was a chaotic scene there this afternoon. Amy.
Yes, it was a chaotic scene. It still is a little chaotic right now. We're waiting for Allegheny County Police to talk to the media and tell us what's going on here tonight. Now, as you mentioned, that suspect was shot by police and taken to a local hospital to be treated. There are, so many patients that live inside this facility here. I want to show this way that my cameraman is pointing out. That bus down the street, they had some patients staying inside the bus to keep warm while they were waiting until they could go back in the facility. This is Turtle Creek Valley Medical Center here in Homestead. I spoke to several patients that were here on the 5th floor where this incident happened. At least 2 people, we were told, were stabbed in the chest. A 3rd person was injured as well, taken to the hospital to be treated. Now, a few people were on the 5th floor where this incident happened. One of the gentlemen that has been staying here for the past week told me he was inside his room. He woke up from a nap to hear a commotion outside, so he went inside the bathroom and locked himself in the bathroom until police came in and evacuated him from the facility. I also spoke to a woman who was on the 1st floor during group therapy when she heard all the commotion going on. She was evacuated as well from this facility. She said she also saw gasoline in one of the elevators. She's not sure why there was gasoline in one of the elevators here, but she said that she'd heard the suspect had already been discharged from the facility, went back inside the facility because he was upset that his treatment was not covered by insurance. Let's take a listen to 2 of those patients I spoke with this evening.